Why don't eggs tell each other jokes? Because they might crack up. Now that we've cracked a joke, let's dive into the world of healthy shakes and green juice recipes. In our fast-paced lives, it's often challenging to maintain a balanced diet. Our bodies require a variety of nutrients to function optimally, and one of the most enjoyable ways to ensure we're getting what we need is through delicious, nutrient-packed shakes and juices. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant green juice filled to the brim with vitamins and minerals that are as revitalizing as a morning jog. Or perhaps a creamy, protein-rich shake that keeps you satiated and energetic throughout the day. Sounds appetizing, doesn't it? These beverages are not only a feast for the taste buds, but also a boon for our health. They can help boost our immune system, improve digestion, and even aid in weight loss. So why not integrate these power-packed drinks into our daily regimen? Now let's get blending. First things first, understanding the basics of smoothie making. Now, you might be thinking it's as simple as throwing a bunch of fruits and veggies in a blender and hitting the start button. But there's a little more to it than that. Creating the perfect smoothie is a lot like creating a masterpiece of art. Just as an artist carefully selects each color and stroke, you'll want to consider each ingredient and its contribution to the overall mix. Let's start with the base. This is the liquid that's going to carry all your ingredients and blend them into a smooth, drinkable concoction. There are a few options here. You could go for water if you're aiming for a light and refreshing smoothie, but if you want something creamier and more filling, milk or yogurt could be your best bet. Next, we move on to the stars of the show, the fruits and vegetables. These are the ingredients that give your smoothie its flavor, color, and most importantly, its nutritional value. Fruits add natural sweetness, while veggies pack in the vitamins and minerals. And don't be afraid to mix and match. Combining fruits and veggies can lead to some surprisingly delicious results. But a smoothie isn't just about fruits and veggies. To make it a well-rounded meal or snack, you'll want to include some proteins and healthy fats. Proteins like Greek yogurt or protein powder help keep you satisfied and energized, and healthy fats like avocados or chia seeds boost your smoothie's nutritional profile and make it more filling. Ultimately, the key to a great smoothie is balance. You want a good mix of flavors and nutrients without any one ingredient overpowering the others. It's about striking that perfect harmony between taste and health, creaminess and freshness, sweetness and tartness. So the next time you're standing in front of your blender, remember these basics and get creative. After all, the beauty of a smoothie is that there are no hard and fast rules. It's your masterpiece, your blend, your perfect mix. Remember, the perfect smoothie is all about balance. Moving on from creamy smoothies to refreshing green juices. Now, green juices are the ultimate health elixir. They're packed with nutrients, easy to digest, and perfect for a quick pick-me-up. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to make. When you're making green juice, the ingredients you choose can make all the difference. Fresh organic produce is always the way to go. Not only does it taste better, but it's also free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. Plus, organic fruits and vegetables are often richer in nutrients than their non-organic counterparts. So when you're shopping for your juice ingredients, remember to go green in every sense of the word. The beauty of green juice is in its simplicity. All you need is a good balance of fruits and vegetables. Vegetables should form the base of your juice. Think leafy greens like spinach, kale, and chard. They're filled with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. And don't be afraid to get creative with your vegetables. Cucumber, celery, and bell peppers can add a crisp, refreshing flavor to your juice. When it comes to fruits, less is more. While fruits can sweeten your juice and make it more palatable, they also contain sugar, so try to keep your fruit content to a minimum. Apples and pears are great choices, as they're relatively low in sugar but high in fiber. And for a tangy twist, try adding a bit of lemon or lime. Now let's talk about the juicing process. You'll want to juice your fruits and vegetables raw to preserve their nutrients. And remember to drink your juice as soon as possible after making it. The longer it sits, the more nutrients it loses. So there you have it. The basics of green juice. It's an easy, delicious way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. And with a little creativity, you can tailor your juice to your taste buds and nutritional needs. Remember, green is not just a color, it's a way of life. Before we dive into the recipes, here's a quick reminder. If you're finding value in our content, and can't wait to blend your own health-packed shakes and juices, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we post new recipes and health tips. Plus, we love hearing from you. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts or your favorite smoothie additions. Now back to our delicious discussion. let's blend some health into our lives with these power-packed smoothie recipes. Firstly, we have the Berry Bliss Smoothie. This delightful blend combines the antioxidant power of blueberries and strawberries with the potassium punch of bananas. Start by taking a cup each of blueberries and strawberries, add 1 ripe banana and a cup of Greek yogurt for a protein boost. Blend it all together with a splash of almond milk to reach your desired consistency. This smoothie not only tastes divine but also offers a wealth of nutrients. The berries are packed with antioxidants which help your body fight off harmful free radicals. Meanwhile, bananas provide a natural energy boost and Greek yogurt is a great source of probiotics for a healthy gut. Next up we have the Tropical Green Powerhouse. This smoothie is a hidden trove of nutrients with the sweetness of pineapple and mango masking the taste of nutrient-rich spinach. Begin with a cup of fresh spinach. Add half a cup each of chopped pineapple and mango. Toss in a banana for a creamy texture, and blend it all with a splash of coconut water. Voila! You have a smoothie that's loaded with vitamins and minerals. Pineapple and mango offer a healthy dose of vitamin C and digestion-friendly enzymes, while spinach provides iron and essential minerals. And the banana? Well, it adds the much-needed creaminess and a dose of potassium. Our final recipe for this segment is the protein-packed peanut butter smoothie. Perfect for those post-workout cravings, this smoothie combines the rich, nutty flavor of peanut butter with the natural sweetness of bananas and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Start with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Add a ripe banana and a scoop of protein powder. Blend it all with a cup of almond milk. This smoothie is a protein powerhouse, providing the fuel your muscles need to repair and grow after a strenuous workout. The peanut butter adds a dose of healthy fats, and the banana provides a natural sweetness and a burst of energy. Each of these smoothies is not just a treat for your taste buds but also a gift to your health. They are easy to prepare, delicious to taste, and packed with nutrients. Remember, the key to a great smoothie is the balance of flavors and nutrients. Feel free to experiment with these recipes, add your favorite fruits, swap out the greens, or add a scoop of your preferred protein powder. Delicious, nutritious, and oh so satisfying. Enjoy these power-packed blends and here's to a healthier you. Time to refresh with these green juice recipes. We're diving into the world of green juices, a haven of health and nutrition. These vibrant, leafy concoctions are your one-way ticket to a healthier lifestyle. So let's get started with a few recipes that'll make your taste buds dance in delight. Our first recipe is a green detox elixir. For this, you'll need a handful of spinach, 1 green apple, half a cucumber, a piece of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. The spinach is a powerhouse of iron and vitamins A, C, and K1. The green apple, apart from adding a sweet and tangy taste, is packed with fiber and antioxidants. Cucumber, being mostly water, is incredibly hydrating and low in calories. The ginger adds a zing and aids digestion, while the lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, gives a refreshing kick and boosts your immune system. The second recipe is the Kale Kickstart. This involves a bunch of kale, 1 kiwi, a stalk of celery, and a splash of coconut water. The kale, a nutrient-dense food, is loaded with vitamins A, K, C, and B6, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. The kiwi, a vitamin C powerhouse, adds a tangy sweetness. Celery, with its high water content, keeps you hydrated and provides a good dose of fiber. Last but not least, the coconut water adds a tropical twist and keeps your electrolytes in check. Our final recipe is the Parsley Power Punch. You'll need a bunch of parsley, 1 green apple, a piece of ginger, and a squeeze of lime. Parsley, though often overlooked, is a versatile herb that's rich in vitamins A, K, and C, and has a unique flavor that can transform your green juice. The green apple and ginger, as we've discussed, add taste and health benefits. The lime juice, similar to lemon, is a great source of vitamin C and adds a tangy finish. Now remember, the beauty of these recipes lies in their flexibility. Feel free to adjust the quantities to suit your palate or add a sweetener like honey or agave nectar if you prefer a sweeter taste. You can also throw in some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra nutritional punch. These green juices, apart from being full of nutrients, are also incredibly detoxifying. They help cleanse your body, boost your immune system, and can even contribute to weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet. Plus, they're a great way to increase your daily intake of fruits and vegetables. So, why wait? Grab your blender, gather your ingredients, and get juicing. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be one step closer to a healthier, happier you. Green, clean, and full of goodness. Now that we've shared some recipes, let's discuss how you can customize these to your taste. As you venture into the world of smoothies and green juices, one of the many joys is the ability to customize and make them truly your own. You can adapt recipes to cater to your unique taste preferences, dietary restrictions, and health goals. Let's start with smoothies. If you find that your smoothie is too thick, you can add in more liquid. This could be water, almond milk, coconut water, or even your favorite type of juice. If it's too thin, add in more fruits or vegetables, or even some ice cubes. Remember, frozen fruits not only make your smoothie thicker but also chill it at the same time. Now what if you're not a fan of bananas, which are often used for creaminess? No problem. Avocado is a great substitute. It gives your smoothie a creamy texture without altering the flavor too much. If you're looking to add protein but want to avoid protein powders, consider adding Greek yogurt, chia seeds, or even a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. Moving on to green juices, the customization possibilities are just as abundant. If your juice is too bitter, you can add in some sweet fruits like apples, pineapples, or even a splash of agave nectar. If it's too sweet, try adding in more leafy greens or a squeeze of lemon. For those who are not fond of celery's distinct flavor, try using cucumber as a base instead. It's hydrating and has a more neutral taste. If you're trying to reduce sugar intake, opt for low-sugar fruits like berries or green apples. And don't forget, you can always add in herbs like mint or basil for an extra burst of flavor. It's all about balance, folks. Experiment with different combinations until you find your perfect blend. And remember, it's not just about taste. Consider your nutritional needs too. If you're looking for a detoxifying drink, add more greens. If you need an energy boost, add fruits that are high in natural sugars. Remember, the best recipe is the one that suits your taste and health needs. So go ahead, get creative and start customizing your smoothies and juices. You're the master of your mix. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap. A journey into the world of healthy shakes and green juices is a vibrant, flavorful adventure that does wonders for your well-being. We started off with the basics, laying the groundwork for your smoothie and juice mastery. Remember, the key to a great shake or juice is the quality of your ingredients. Fresh, organic produce will always give you the most nutritious bang for your buck. We then dove headfirst into the exciting world of recipes. From power-packed smoothie blends to refreshing green juices, we explored an array of concoctions, each with its own unique health benefits. These recipes are not just good for you, they're also delicious, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. And remember, there's always room for creativity in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of fruits, vegetables, and superfoods. The sky's the limit when it comes to blending up your own healthful creations. But of course, the journey doesn't end here. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. After all, it's not just about the destination, but the journey as well. And what a tasty journey it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay healthy and keep blending.